Watch Spartan knock out this sink in just 10 minutes. First, select your sink from the sink template library at the HMI. Raise the pop-up table, then glide your part into position onto the integrated vacuum cups. Easily locate the sink center with the laser. Drop the table. Now the part is secure. Let Spartan get busy. The sink cutout is up first. Spartan drops it with ease into the removable sink cutout bin and keeps working. No pause needed to remove the cutout. With the highest horsepower spindle of any sink machine, Spartan is optimized for high-speed polishing. This dedicated sink and seam machine is equipped with 19 tool holders, enough for 2 full sets and 5 utility tools. Its compact, flow-through design makes Spartan a sink production powerhouse. And just like that, this Kohler 2210 sink is fully cut, polished, and finished in just over 10 minutes. Dominate sinks, seams, and more with Spartan.